birthday, 2013, and I'm going to walk to work today. Not very exciting, I know, but you might change your mind when you see what we're having to deal with. This is Chronicle 19, Chipping Sodbury, walk to work edition. Pretty quiet on the roads, as you would imagine. Look how slow that dual carriageway is. That's Lilliput Park there. I used to knock about as a kid. Fair play. This is like the most extreme weather I've ever walked in. I'm lying. Just coming up to the Love Lane underpass now. Notoriously tough hill after this underpass. Just managed to get some shelter from that horrific weather out there. Had to tackle this terrible hill. Certainly gets you bloating this one after just a couple of steps. Very steep gradient on it. Oh, we made it. Luckily it took me about 20 metres. Good job, eh? Alright, here we go. Sodbury School over there, where I used to go to school. And here's our route down here, towards the High Street. Same roads. Obviously cars have still been on there, but still very, very quiet at this time of day. 5 to 9. Already seen a lot of people out on sledges already, which is nice. I think all the schools are shut today. Doubt very much my work will be though. I can hear like the feet crunching on the snow. Can you hear it? Fresh snow. Nice. There we go. Let's Chipping Sodbury High Street. Slow and steady. Small medieval town. But we're going to go down this way. More picturesque and quicker direct route. There's the old Dandos there. Ex-workplace of the infamous Dio. Oh, it's a bit slippy and slidey here because quite a steep slope. I've got my sledge. Whoa! Look at that. Picture postcard there. It's not often you get this, is it? Beautiful. Oh, I can smell someone's wood fire burning. Lucky for them. Now I'm going to navigate my way through the first part of Ridge Woods. Much nicer, going up the long direct route. Alright, into the woods now. Into the Ridge Wood. I've overdone it. We're closed again, getting pretty warm. Not too far now, just got to go through the bottom end of the woods and cut right up into work. Narnia, man. Just a couple of snowball fights up ahead. Make sure I didn't get caught in the crossfire. lot of sledges are out on force now. Looks like it's going to be a proper snow day for everyone not at work. Almost there now, getting to the site. There's the gate. Let's see how many other people manage to brave it in. Beautiful in the snow, to be honest. I've seen the car park busier. Someone's been out with a gritter. This snow must be about 3 inches deep, minimum. Car park's looking pretty sparse again. I'm sure some of the really positive and uplifting characters of my workplace will still be here though. It's bound to be a given. We'll see now, we'll see what we've got in store as I get in. But anyway, this is the Chronicle over. Hope you enjoyed your walk to work with me as much as I did. Let's see what's happening. Someone's home. Everyone's in. Bye.